How to install Minecraft mods. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can install Minecraft mods. For this, open up any web browser. Now, on the search bar, type CurseForge and search for that. From the search results, you want to click on the very first link. Go ahead and click on this. Over here, you want to click on the Minecraft option. Now scroll down a bit and here you will find the option of latest mods. Click on the view all option. Now you can sort it. I'm going to sort it according to the popularity. Now select any mod you want. I'm going to simply select the first one. Go through the description if you want. Then you want to click on the files option. Here you want to check the mod launcher and the game version, then click on these three dots and select the download option. After some time you will see that it will be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, open a new tab and search for Forge. Then click on the download Forge option. Here you want to select the version of the game. After that, click on the installer option. Now an ad will be shown, so you want to click on the skip option at the top right corner. After you click on skip, it will start downloading. After it has been downloaded, you want to drag the mod and Forge in your desktop. Now you want to launch open Forge. If it doesn't open, then you want to open up any web browser and search for Java. Then download and install Java in your PC or laptop. Once it has been installed, you want to open Forge with the Java. Once that is done, you want to open Minecraft launcher and select Java on the left. Now you want to scroll down and find Forge. Now you can start installing the Minecraft mod that you have downloaded, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.